Hello and welcome back. This is going to be another very quick video, but it's one that I've done before which seemed to have been quite popular. Also caused a lot of controversy with the way I did it, but I'm going to show you how we replace these, the wheel centre caps, or whatever you want to call them, centre hub caps, alloy wheel caps, whatever they're called, without taking your wheels off. Because a lot of people, might just have these that are discoloured or weathered and just want to replace them, but they can't be bothered taking the wheels off to get in behind them, or they don't have the ability to take the wheels off all four at a time, or whatever. They might not have space to do it. Here is a quick and easy way you can do it on your driveway without damaging the wheel and without taking the wheels off. And these caps I got, they're just the cheaper ones. They're just the ones that are about 15 quid for four. They're not like embossed, they're not the genuine Jag ones, but they're good enough for me. They look the same. They just don't have the kind of 3D effect of the cat's face. But those genuine ones, I've seen them for like £65 or sometimes even more. So what I'm going to do is replace my blue caps with those red ones using two plastic trim tools, and make sure they're plastic. Do not use metal because you will scrape your alloy, guaranteed, and probably break the plastic on those little wheel caps. You get yourself a couple of plastic trim tools. These are from Silverline. You get a pack of 4 on Amazon for like, I don't know, £11.99 or something like that. It might not even be that. But they're very cheap, and I've been using these for years, as you can probably tell, because they're filthy mucky. So give these a little clean up, and then we'll take you out the car and we'll do all 4 wheels in less than a minute probably, and we'll have these off with no damage to the alloys whatsoever. Let's go. Right, so there we have it. The quickest and easiest video I've done in the channel, I suppose. But it is a 2-second job, so if you've got wheel caps, centre caps that are a bit weathered, get a set of those off of eBay or Amazon or whatever, pop them out in 2 seconds and they'll make the wheels look a lot better. Nice and easy job. Or if you can afford it, get the actual Jaguar ones with the embossed cat on them at 65 quid. If you can find them cheaper, let me know. But anyway, they'll do me for now. Here's my old blue ones. They're all the same. I think they're about 58mm. I think they're advertised as 58mm in diameter, so they're all pretty much the same. That'll do us for today. Thank you very much for watching. Hit like, hit subscribe. We'll catch you in the next longer video. Thank you. Bye bye.